Hi, I'm Valerie Bertinelli, and I'm here with your new go-to winter drink, orange ginger hot toddy, infused with ginger and warming spices like cloves and cinnamon. This is a great cocktail to sip on after a day on the slopes or an evening with friends around a fire. It's also easy to make a big batch of it for a holiday party. Are you ready? Let's get started. So I've got a pan heating right here on the stovetop. I'm going to add 6 cups of water, and we're going to get that heated up. While our water heats up, you're going to grab an orange. I'm going to get 3 big strips of the orange peel. 2 peels specifically for the mixture that you're making. But I'm going to grab another peel as a garnish for the hot toddy that I'm going to drink as soon as we finish making it. But you're just going to need 2 peels for the actual hot toddy mixture. I'm going to take these cloves and just punch them into the orange peel. And the reason I'm doing that is because we're not going to strain this. We're going to ladle straight from the mixture. So we just want to make sure there's not a bunch of cloves floating, but we want all the flavor of these cloves. So we've got about 15 cloves. We're just going to put half on each. Let's get another one up here. It's not important how you put them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's get another one up here. Looks like California. Sort of looks like California, doesn't it? Yeah, okay. So get all these cloves right through the orange. And then you're going to throw these orange peels into the water that's slowly coming to a simmer. One last one. There we go. Get those right into the water. So we're just going to take a little bit of this ginger. We don't even have to peel it. It's going to go straight into the water. So we're going to get just into discs because you want to get a lot of surface area so the ginger infuses the water. Oh, I love the smell of ginger. Love it, love it, love it. There you go. Get all of those discs right in there. That's going to flavor our water. We're making ginger tea. This is a real natural ginger tea. No tea bags needed. There we go. Then we're also going to get some cinnamon sticks in there. You don't want to just put powdered cinnamon in. These will infuse all the flavor that you need from the cinnamon, and you won't have to strain it. Okay, so we've got our ginger, we've got our orange peel with the cloves in it, and our cinnamon. Now we need to sweeten it. So we're going to grab some honey and get about half of a cup in. I mean, you could measure it, make this as sweet or not as you like. And I love honey as a sweetener. It adds a lot of depth of flavor. And it's perfect for tea. Let's give that a little stir. We're also going to take that orange that we grabbed the peel from and put that juice right in here. So I'm going to slice that in half. I'll show you my little trick. So just go ahead and take your fork and pierce the inside and turn. And that's going to grab the juice and release it. And get all the juice in there. Do that same thing to the second half. Pierce, twist. Pierce and twist. Now grab your whiskey, your favorite, whatever you like. I like Irish whiskey. Give yourself 2 cups. And then pour 2 cups in there. Oh. Pour 2 cups. I know it seems like a lot, but this is a nice big batch. Remember, there's 6 cups of water in there. You don't want to cook off the alcohol. You want this to come to a nice little simmer because you want all the flavors to infuse into the water first. Then you're going to take it off the heat and add your whiskey. My least favorite thing about a hot toddy is when I add the whiskey and it kind of makes my tea lukewarm. So this is a good way to make sure you get a nice warm drink without burning off all the alcohol. So you're going to let this really come to a nice simmer, and then you're going to add in the whiskey and then turn off the heat. There it is. That's a beautiful simmer happening right now. So we're going to add in our whiskey. And now we're going to turn off the heat. I'm going to give this a little stir. That is pretty. Oh, it just smells so soothing and so calming. I love this drink. Go ahead and grab yourself a ladle and a mug. Now see that when you ladle it, none of the cloves get in there because they're stuck on your orange peels. Take that orange peel, just give it a nice little twist so the little scent of the orange comes out of the peel. And lay that right in. That is a nice big batch ginger and orange hot toddy. Oh, that is so soothing. Put me on a mountain, snow-capped mountain, a cup of this, and I am in heaven. I'm glad you guys came by today. Thanks for cooking with me. If you like this recipe, go ahead and bookmark it. That way you can make it again whenever you want. And come back and visit me anytime you want. I'm right here. Cheers.